Alright guys, so today we are going to talk about how to insert a picture and then save your PowerPoint. So what you're going to want to do is obviously open up PowerPoint, and then once it pops up you're going to have all these templates to choose from, but we're just going to start off with a blank presentation. So you'll click that. Let me get this bigger for you. Okay, so then to insert a picture, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Insert, click on the picture, and then you can either look at what Photoshop has, or you go to your files, and then what you're going to want to do is remember where you put that picture. And I just got this dog one, so there you go, you have your picture right there, and you can move it around, put it wherever you'd like, and format it however you like. In this kind of tab right here shows you how to format everything. And then what you're going to want to do to save it is you're going to come up to this top left part over here. Either click the Save As or Save if you've already saved it once. You click Save As, and you can name it however you'd like. I'll do example 1. And with the Mac, you only can pick these types of files, but in Windows I know that you can go to specific files within your document folder, but since we're on Mac, we're just going to hit Documents. Here you can change the format of it, so you can make it different types, but we're just going to do that one, and then click Save. That's really all you got to do to insert a picture and save your PowerPoint.